Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Facts with Boom. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today's facts are for Farnborough North. So let's begin. Farnborough North station is on the North Downs line, just after Bracknell and just before North Camp. Farnborough North is one of two stations in Farnborough. The other one is called Farnborough Main and it's on the South Western Main Line. The car park only has 5 or 6 spaces, but it's free, so if you're fortunate enough to get a space, you can park for free. The level crossing has manual gates operated by a guy in a shed. If you want your vehicle to use the level crossing, you have to phone in advance to make sure that the guy in the shed will actually be in his shed ready to open the gates for you. And in 2019/2020, the station was used by 0.597 million or 597,000 people. Thank you very much for listening to this episode of Facts the Boom, and remember to stay alert.